Hi everybody, this is an AC voltage detector that I picked up on Amazon for about $9. So let's take a look at the outside of the package real quick. And let's open it up and see what comes inside. Okay, so that's basically it. There's a piece of paper that says user manual. There's that whole document right there. Flip it over, and it's all text. So that's interesting. Looks like it also shows you how to put the batteries in. Then it also comes with a pack of AA or AAA batteries, and then the detector itself. So comes in a little pouch, and this is a WGGE WG-1005B. So test known live circuit before use. That's kind of interesting. Has a little metal plate inside the detector tip, and it looks like an LED light also. So oh, okay, so it just takes batteries like a flashlight does. So let's open these up. It even has a little picture of here, the right way to install the batteries. Oh, there we go. Okay. So I guess that's on. What's that little green button? Maybe that's a test button. Oh, okay. You press and hold it, and a little flashlight comes on. Well, that's convenient. You press and hold, and the light goes off. So, of course, we want to test our detector and see if it works. So I have it turned on. Huh, that's cool. And it doesn't work on the neutral side. It works really good on the line side. It doesn't work anywhere on here either. All right, pretty cool. Even has a little range meter. Tells you how much it's getting, how strong the signal is. Of course, that's nothing on this side. Although it must be picking up a faint signal because it's so close to this side. Cool. And now let's do another test. I have a power cord here for a clothes iron. So I'm going to plug this into the outlet like so, and then turn on my tool. And let's just test on the wire. Huh. The light's turning red on the tool. Huh, that's cool. I guess it's actually detecting the AC waveform. Let's try this side. That's interesting. Huh, That's really cool. Let's test along the length of the wire. Huh, that's really cool. Okay, so it works. Works pretty good too. All right, well, there you have it. Non-contact voltage detector from Amazon. Pretty cool. Well, if you have any questions or any comments, post them below. And thanks for watching. And if you like my videos, please give a thumbs up and please subscribe.